Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Γεια σας. Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με τον υπεύθυνο.
Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ.
Once more with the English translation.
Γεια σας. Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με τον υπεύθυνο.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
Γεια σας. Γεια σας.
Then, you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με...
person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
Γεια σας. Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με τον υπεύθυνο. Γεια σας. Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με τον υπεύθυνο.
Now, how do you answer this question?
Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ. Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ.
This Greek sentence literally translates as, okay, one moment please, but it means, okay, just a moment. Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge.
Τον υπεύθυνο. Τον υπεύθυνο.
A sales representative.
Έναν εκπρόσωπο πωλήσεων. Έναν εκπρόσωπο πωλήσεων.
The manager.
Τον διευθυντή. Τον διευθυντή.
Customer service.
Την εξυπηρέτηση πελατών. Την εξυπηρέτηση πελατών.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με έναν εκπρόσωπο πωλήσεων.
Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ.
Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με τον διευθυντή.
Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ.
Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με την εξυπηρέτηση πελατών.
Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person?
Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με...
Person. And how do you answer it?
Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ.
Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say, a sales representative?
Έναν εκπρόσωπο πωλήσεων. Έναν εκπρόσωπο πωλήσεων.
Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative.
Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με έναν εκπρόσωπο πωλήσεων.
Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it.
Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με έναν εκπρόσωπο πωλήσεων.
Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ.
Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say, the manager?
Τον διευθυντή. Τον διευθυντή.
Say, I'd like to speak with the manager.
Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με τον διευθυντή.
Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it.
Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με τον διευθυντή.
Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ.
Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say customer service?
Την εξυπηρέτηση πελατών. Την εξυπηρέτηση πελατών.
Say, I'd like to speak with customer service.
Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με την εξυπηρέτηση πελατών.
Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it.
Θα ήθελα να μιλήσω με την εξυπηρέτηση πελατών.
Μάλιστα. Μια στιγμή παρακαλώ.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!